Have you just received your item? On today's video, I'm going to show you how to leave feedback for the seller on eBay. Let's get started. First of all, go to ebay.com and log into your account you used to make the purchase. Now hover over My eBay on the top right corner and click on Purchase History. This will show all your recent orders. Scroll through your list and find the item that you received. You should see a Leave Feedback button next to it. Since I don't have any orders, you can just follow the remaining steps. Click the Leave Feedback, choose the appropriate rating. Usually positive if everything went well. Write a short review and rate them on shopping, speed and communication. Once you're happy with the feedback, click the Leave Feedback button to submit. Leaving feedback helps great sellers stand out and builds trust on eBay. Subscribe for more helpful tips and like this video if you enjoyed it. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.